it's less than perfect conditions today. You know, we're in the fjord, so with the amount of current we have, these things are stacked up one right next to the other. With any luck, we'll get up, try to find this bag, and if we can get to it, we can haul it, we're gonna haul it.
Fighting against strong currents in the deep trough of the fjord, Captain Wild Bill attempts to deal some frontier justice to the invasive Russian Reds.
Will you slow down a little bit? It's flying over.
Boat owners in the bow telling me we're crazy, and we all know that.
It ain't Wild Bill for nothing. Even though we are in fjords, the weather turns in a heartbeat. It can get deadly.
Came here to catch crab, no matter what the weather's like.
That's my guy. First one coming up. This is all a prospect. It's kind of a short soak to see if there's anything really nice in this area. I want to see what the first one brings.
Come on, you king crab.
Come on, guys. King crab, all right, baby.
Yeah,
Honestly, I'm glad to see something crawling.
good sign.
This next one is a little deeper. Coming up.
Come on, you king crab.
Yeah, bro. Woo!
Nice big crab.
That's good. There's some kings. There's some kings.
3 crab, Bill.
Seeing sunlight gives me optimism.
After only 6 hours of soak time, the string hits the crab an hour threshold, opening the door to $50,000 a day and making Bill one of the only 2 Bering Sea captains to catch Red King this year.
All right, sounds good.
That's a heavy one right there, boys.
Good.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. 5 in the last pot, Bill.
looking good. We don't have real far to go up to the next one. She is roughly straight south by only 60 meters. You see it?
Oh, we are really close to the shore.
You see it?
Yeah, see it. Straight in.
And that is way off the mark.
Got it. Got it. Hey. Gear out. Gear out.
Satan i helvete, fett shit. Oh, it's in.
In the wheel?
It's in the wheel.
What?
In the wheel.
No way.
Yeah, it is. Hell.
Just cut it off.
As low as I can, right?
Yeah, cut it as low as you can.
Okay. Cut.
We're headed towards the beach. I'm gonna bump it in reverse to get off the beach here. Come away from the side.
Okay, yeah, we'll get out of the way.
No, it...
Looks like it's stuck. This is really, really bad.
Where is the shore now?
Yeah, we're close.
We need a tow.
A line snarled in the propeller renders Captain Wild Bill dead in the water. The Tromston now at the mercy of the currents, just feet from the jagged shore.
Let's call the Coast Guard. Where are they at, bud?
Bison. Cover bison.
Bison?
Yeah. Do you want to talk to them or?
No, I don't. You speak to them in Spanglish, man.
Cover bison, Tromstin, kan jeg 16.
Ja, Tromstin, cover bison, 16, bare.
Jeg skal gjøre det, jeg skal kontakte RS. They told me that since we are inshore, we have to contact rescue company. regulations and stuff.
The Norwegian Coast Guard defers inshore towing requests to private enterprise.
So how do we get a hold of those guys?
Try and call them.
Forcing Bill to support local business, one that has a closing window to keep him off the rocks.
Hallo, kan du så på over til HRS Nord-Norge? Ja, hei. Det er ruske båt til sin Havøysund, the other town. So we have to wait for them.
They want us to wait until it, that's how many, that's like
10 miles.
10 miles.
Yeah.
Without propulsion, Captain Wild Bill uses the rudder to point the vessel into the tide, reducing drag on the ship and slowing its collision course with the shallows 65 yards away.
You know, the worse the weather, obviously, the more the risk, so.
The wind's blowing hard, tide's running hard, and we're getting pushed around quite a bit.
And if the weather gets worse, we'll be in a storm.
Come on, come on, come on. We're 60 meters away from the beach.
Det är alltså omställning. Jag kommer upp på styrbordssidan dit. Dere är väl klar fram på däcken. Vi ska vara görklar släppa.
Nej, det är måttat. Kom on på styrbordssidan. They're coming up on the starboard side.
Thank you!
He's pretty smart. He's coming in upwind, so when they throw a heaving line, it'll be a downwind, easy toss. Yeah.
Hey.
There you go. Landon's pulling up the tow line.
Okay, should be good. And we're all secured up forward.
Good to have these guys.
Yeah, it's an amazing service. With any luck, this is an easy fix. We can verify that we're all in good shape. And then we're going to turn around and come back out and try to finish our task. So we'll see what happens.
That was ready. Just about to hit the water.
Diver down.
Hopefully these guys can assess the situation and get this line out of our wheel.
What are you doing there, buddy? Don't fall in.
Hold up the line. Long line.
This is all that was on the propeller.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's good news.
So this was the end that had the trailer bag on it.
And this got wrapped around the shaft.
But we got it figured out. Nothing's broken.
Yeah.
You're happy, I know. I understand, man. It's your investment, and it is made out of Tupperware, so we got to be careful with it.
Well, at least it doesn't rust. Yeah, this is quite expensive, but I think I might forward the bill to Wild Bill. I think I can cover this. He was driving, so.
We still got a little bit of daylight. We'll go ahead and haul some gear, see what we got. Let's go.